Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo booth effect inside your Instagram stories. So once you have Instagram open, if you're on your home page, just head over to the plus icon at the top corner of the page and then click on that. And then look for where you have story and click on story. And here you should land on the page here where you can create stories for your Instagram account. Once you are here, on the left corner of the page here, you can see a drop down arrow here. Just click on the drop down arrow. And here you have more options of things you can select. But what we are most interested in there is Photobooth. Once you can find Photobooth, just click on Photobooth. So basically with Photobooth, it takes 4 pictures for you, and with a timer or a little bit of a space in between both of them. And usually it starts with a countdown. So if I should click on Photobooth now, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's processing the pictures together. And here you can see these are the pictures we just took. And if you head over to the top part of the screen here, you can see the photo booth icon showing there. This you can use to edit how the pictures transition from one picture to another. So clicking on the photo booth icon, you can see this is the default one, which is called Flash. If you click on the next one, which is Light Leaks, you can see this is Light Leaks. The next one, which is Photostrip, and then we can also check the next one as well. The next one is Filmstrip, and then we have Vintage, and the last one is VHS. So it's possible when you're doing this, when you decide to scroll through the options for the photo booth, that you don't see the effects playing out. Like when you select the options, you don't see the effects playing out after the processing. If this happens for you, just simply head back to the first effect on your phone, which is the flash. If you select the flash and then you go through the options again one more time, you'll notice that the effects begin to play out. That is, you begin to see the effects of the transition from one picture to another. So if I should do this again one more time, you can see the light leaks. Now you can see the effects are showing or playing out the effects. You can see the photo strip. Now you can see the effects from one picture to another. Here you can see the film strip as well showing. You can also see the vintage now playing out the way it's supposed to play. And then the last one, which is the VHS, you can see it also playing out. But let's say we stick with the photo strip here because it looks nice. And then once you're okay with this, you just click on done at the top right corner of the page. And then you can see this effect has been added to your Instagram story as a photo booth effect. So if you like this, you can head over to your story and post this the normal way which you want to post it. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please give the video a like if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos. I post lots of helpful content and videos on my channel regularly. Hope to see you guys at the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.